Okay, this is Show Me the Money or Documentation Beats Conversation. So I'm going to go as quick as I can. Reason for this video is 39 years ago, my mentor, when I met, showed me his income. It was $62,000 for the month. I mean, wow. And so I want to show the income. We've been in a company for just 30 days. And I just wanted to show you documentation of that income. All I'm saying is I can show you how to make over $11,000 in your first 30 days. So I'm gonna go here. Let me see. I think I messed up already, but oh, right here in the deal. So I'll go to all credits here. All right, and let's just see if he'll do it. All right. All right, so we'll just see here. Okay, you see money coming from a number of places, but what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take this one here, the PayPal, and just grab like here, miscellaneous credit, and then I'll show you where all that money came from. All right. All right. Here we go. All right. So you can see 1,076, 483, 9,093, 578, and 530. So all that combined is over $11,000. So that's all I can show you how to do. If you want to make over $10,000 a month, I can show you how to do that. So you see here, it's from what, November 24th to December 12th. And so, within a month. And again, the only reason I'm showing you this is because my mentor showed me. So now the next step is you can see this all came from PayPal. So let's prove that it came from Immunitech. So this is Immunitech's Hyper Wallet. What is it? PayPal bot. PayPal bot. So I can go to transfers and history, and you can see right there are all the same deposits, right? So there you go. Now I'm going to go to Immunitech. So I go to Immunitech, got my username and password in there. I'm going to click on there, go to my business center, and I'm going to go right to commissions. And there you see the 530.99. There you see the 9,000. There you see the 483. There you see the 1,076. Now, if you see another $500, believe it or not, that's through my wife's position. So it's what a blessing. And so in our first couple of weeks in the company, we hit executive diamond. And did, right at 500,000 in volume. Now we're here on the 17th, 127,000 in volume. And if I went back to here, you can see that we're number 2 on the leaderboard, and in all of the company. And so that's it. So my name is Robert Hollis. Documentation beats conversation. I have the right here, the patent and the domain on it. Again, not trying to impress you, but there's so many people out there right now that just say, oh, with my company, you can make this and you can do this and we're the best company ever. Show me the money. Jerry Maguire, show me the money. Now, if this doesn't impress you, that's okay. I'm doing another video that just talks about the product and how, I've lost over 20 pounds on the product since I've been with it. So, feeling healthier, more energy. So check out that video, but get back with the person that showed you this video, because it's so important to work with documented people that are documented. We got, 2 diamonds that, Shandor and Judith, out in Hungary. My wife hit diamond, Melody Riva. Hit gold. My wife hit gold, Melody Riva hit gold. And I have a whole video just on all the rank advancements. So I love and appreciate you. And if no one's giving you permission to succeed in life, let me be the first. Take care and see you soon. Bye for now.